Welcome to the Kanthale Dam, a marvel of ancient engineering and a testament to the ingenuity of Sri Lanka's ancestors. Situated amidst the lush greenery of the region, this historic reservoir is more than just a dam, it's a living testament to the rich cultural heritage of the island. Built over 7 decades ago, the Kanthale Dam was a monumental feat of engineering for its time. Its construction required the precise placement of compacted earth and rock, a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of its builders. Today, the Kanthale Dam stands as a vital source of irrigation for the surrounding farmland, providing water to thousands of acres of crops and sustaining the livelihoods of countless families in the region. But its significance goes beyond its practical utility. It is a symbol of the ancient civilizations that once flourished in this area, showcasing their advanced knowledge of water management and agriculture. As you stand atop the dam and gaze out at the expansive reservoir, you can't help but be struck by the beauty and serenity of the surroundings. The still waters reflect the vibrant greenery that surrounds them, creating a picture-perfect scene that is sure to leave you in awe. The Kanthale Dam is not just a place to visit, it's an experience that will transport you back in time and give you a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Sri Lanka. So come, explore this ancient marvel, and discover the wonders of the Kanthale Dam. Subscribe now and let's explore together.